Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the one and only Natasha!
Wow! Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. So, listen, people. I spent all my money on this brand new look. Yeah, an entire month of hard work gone. Just so I could come out of the salon looking like a blonde bombshell poodle. Now I'm broke, sitting here like, woo, was it worth it? I mean, I can't even afford bones this month. My next meal depends on my next paycheck. But hey, at least I look fabulous. Who cares if I'm starving? I am a broke blonde dog now, living proof that beauty isn't free. It's actually very, very expensive. Thank you. Bye-bye.